If your Kia Sportage is making a clicking noise but won't turn over, let's troubleshoot the issue in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 85% of these no-start conditions are traced back to simple electrical failures rather than engine mechanical issues. Before you call for a tow, follow this diagnostic playbook to identify the culprit. Start by checking battery voltage, cleaning terminal corrosion, and ensuring your ground straps are secure and not frayed. The battery is your primary suspect. Even if lights turn on, it may lack the cranking amps to engage the starter motor. If the battery is healthy, the clicking sound often points to a failing starter solenoid or worn internal motor brushes. Basic terminal maintenance is a simple DIY task, but internal starter replacement usually requires a shop visit for most owners. Here is the average cost breakdown for these common repairs, including both parts and professional labor rates. For advanced testing, try a voltage drop test or check for immobilization codes that might be preventing the engine from firing. Always keep a digital multimeter and a wire brush in your kit to handle these electrical diagnostic tasks safely. Never ignore a weak crank or intermittent clicking, as it puts unnecessary strain on your vehicle's entire electrical system. Thanks for watching the troubleshooting playbook. If you have questions about your Sportage, drop a comment below and subscribe for more.